Thanks for joining us. Over the next few minutes, we'll share with you how Wellness Checkpoint Journey can help you better understand your health risks and take action for meaningful, sustainable changes. Okay, let's get started. You can use Wellness Checkpoint Journey on your desktop or mobile device, or, for enhanced functionality, download our mobile app. To begin, follow the instructions that your company or sponsor gave you and select your preferred language. If you're using Wellness Checkpoint for the first time, you'll need to create an account. Click the Create One link. Select your preferred language. Choose a username and a password you'll remember, as well as a password reminder question and response. Your sponsor may have specific requirements, but we recommend you choose a password that has at least 8 characters, including a number or a special character. Only you will know your username and password, so remember to keep them confidential. In some configurations, you'll also be asked to provide your email address so we can provide a better user experience. If so, we promise we'll never do anything with it that you haven't specifically agreed to. Once you've completed any remaining questions, review the terms of use. Please read these carefully as they include important information about your privacy and how your information will be stored and protected. The first time you log in, you'll be presented with a series of questions about your biometrics, lifestyle, and health status. Please answer them thoughtfully and as accurately as you can. Depending on the configuration, completing the initial questions will take anywhere from 3 to 15 minutes. Once completed, you'll go directly to the Results tab for an overview of your current health situation. In some configurations, your estimated overall wellness risk and an estimate of risk will appear. In order to convert the estimate of risk for a category to an actual risk rating, you'll need to complete additional questions. To do that, click on the icon, review the information about your estimated risk, and a link that'll take you directly to the specific questions you may want to answer for that risk category. Answer as many as you're interested in. You can always come back to do more, and Journey will remind you to answer these additional questions in your continued interactions. When you have completed all the additional questions, your results dashboard will show an actual overall risk rating, a risk rating for each of your component health categories and your personal well-being age. Once you've answered the initial questions and as many additional questions as you wish to, you'll want to check out the cards on the Highlights tab. Highlight cards are customized just for you according to your personal health profile and provide high-value information. Use the My Plan feature to help form or reinforce healthy habits. It's easy to get started. Just select a habit you wish to track from the recommended list or choose a custom habit of your own. Set a goal date to review your progress. Remember, some habits will take more time to become part of your daily routine. Track progress on a daily basis and see how many days you can chain together. The longer your streak, the more likely your new habit will become part of your daily routine. We recommend starting small and building on your success. Want to personalize your experience? Select an avatar and enter a nickname. Set your preferred language and control your communication options. If you allow us to reach out to you via email or on our mobile app, we'll send reminders and notifications, including updates to when new features are available. We hope you're ready to begin your journey to better health with Wellness Checkpoint Journey. If you have any questions or comments, please contact us.